Ito na, ang ating next na eksena naman, medyo madrama dahil tungkol ito sa isang couple na nag-struggle to be together. Paano kayang tumbling o kembot ang gagawin ni Sex Bomb Jo Marie para ikwento ito? Music, please.
He broke his own heart and I watched as he tried to reassemble it. And my mama swore that she would never let herself again. And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception. 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 You are.
Honggang-hongga si Jo Marie. Nahilo ako sa mga ganun ng paa. Kaya ko yon. Kaya mo yon?
Sige nga.
Flexible. Wow! Antaray! Antaray! Flexible ka. Contemporary dance ang style na yon. Ang tawag doon sa sayo na yon. Kaya nakita mo, very emotional at fluid yung mga galaw-galaw nila. Antaray, no? In fairness kay Jo Marie, ha?
Magaling, magaling. Gusto ko
Magaling.
yan. Up next.